Each week, we tour a beautiful Westridge or life model, and it's usually set in a well-designed Westridge subdivision. But this is a custom home, and it's built on Pine Lake. And we all know, Carl, there's a great demand still for lake living.
There really is, and people that have watched the Westridge show and followed our business maybe don't realize how many lake homes we build. We really specialize, and we have a department that I'm quite involved in, that we build all over southeastern Wisconsin on many different lakes, especially this Pine Lake, which is a very unique spot to find a new construction home. You rarely find homes for sale here. Throughout Wisconsin, we have many different other lake properties that we're building on now, other ones that will be coming up for sale, but this one is really a gem.
Yeah, we're standing on the deck looking over the lake, and this is kind of a takeoff of the Timber Ridge Manor, which is a higher-end Westridge home.
It was. We had that model in Taylor's Woods, overlooking the golf course. Now what we've done to this home from that model is we've totally expanded it, added a few other features to it that we'll walk through, and added some special finishes inside. Not to mention we completely redid the exterior of the home.
All right, well, let's see what you did on the inside.
Great.
So Carl, this is really luxury living. I mean, the windows with the view, this great room, it's very lofted, it's wonderful.
Well, you know, what you want to do on a lake property, I think what people, the draw is you come in through a double set of front doors and you look straight ahead through this great window viewing.
It's the first thing you see.
Viewing the lake.
Yeah.
And, you know, that's what you're paying for. You're paying for this view and being on this lake. So, yes, a nice big great room, high ceilings, lots of windows looking over the lake. A great built-in entertainment area on this wall with a stone fireplace, a little something unique from some of the other homes.
Yeah.
The den behind us here, double doors going in, has a lot of maple and birch woodwork. That round turret that you see in the front of the home, that's 2 stories high. As you can see, we have a loft above us, all iron railings. Again, kind of a nice open feel, but each room is definitely separated from each other.
Now, I know in this design you have the master on the first floor.
Yes, we do. The master is located right off here. As you go through this little hub area, you'll find a closet, you'll find a powder room, and then a niche area for artwork. Master bedroom set up so when you're laying in bed, you have this excellent view just like you have here from the great room. The master bedroom's changed significantly in the fact that the walk-in closet has double or tripled. And the master bath is completely changed. We have a different layout with the way you walk in your shower, and the vanity is much bigger and longer, and a domed ceiling in there as well.
So what would we find upstairs? How many bedrooms?
Well, what we have is 3 bedrooms upstairs, plus a bonus room area, which probably could be turned into his bedroom as well, if that's what you wanted to do with it. Now, the 3 bedrooms all have plenty of space. They all have built-in desks. All 3 of them actually have their own bathrooms and nice different coffered ceilings.
I would say the kitchen hearth room is my favorite part of this design, Carl. It's really beautiful.
You know, it is one of my favorite parts as well. I think for most people this is a gathering spot.
Yes.
And again, we added some additional windows to this design to capture that view.
Because you want to capture it from wherever you are in the home.
Very important. Whenever designing a home on a lake, what do you want to do? You want to capture those views. That's why you're buying the lake property.
Exactly.
So in this kitchen, the difference between that Timber Ridge model we keep referring to are the kitchen cabinets are laid out a little bit different. We've expanded this kitchen. We've added more cabinetry. We have 2 separate refrigerator freezers, a 48-inch range. We've added a really nice maple hood fan and these matching maple pillars across the way on the snack bar. Used the CNC cutting machine to have this unique pattern and went through and did a different finish in here. So really expanded things a little bit from that last model.
I know that the floors must be popular because you kept these the same in the last model.
Yes, the
They're
pattern
very unique.
of wood and tile combination.
And I like the hearth room. It's kind of nice and cozy and you can keep the conversation going.
And that's changed too. I mean, that's the same also. It's just changed with as far as square footage.
It looks bigger, right?
Yeah.
Now let's talk about the lower level. I know it's similar to the other Timber Ridge Manor. Did you make a lot of? It's walkout level, lower level, right?
Right. It is a full walkout to the lake. No, we didn't make a lot of changes down there.
Okay.
Now again, we keep referring to this Timber Ridge model that we had in Taylor's Woods, and people can go to our website and view a video tour of that Timber Ridge model. This home has those changes that we've been talking about. The downstairs area, going back to that, there really isn't many changes down there. The major one is there is a bunch of square footage added because of the upper floors, and we added this really nice walk-in sauna.
This home is available to some lucky buyer. Call the Westridge offices for a private tour.